Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be really different. मैंने कभी ऐसा किया नहीं है to tell you guys how I click my pictures. But when I uploaded this picture on my Instagram, everybody was like, "कि we wanna know how do you click the picture." This video is going to be totally on it. I'll be using different props. I'll be telling you the framing. I'll be telling you some questions that you asked. And then we'll go to a little prop photograph. We'll play with the lights. We'll play with the props and let's see how it turns out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now I'm going to tell you the little about the framing, how it works, and it's like very necessary. It's like the accessory to your outfit. So framing has to be really perfect. As you can see, there's a plant lying here, but I am planning to put another plant here. So let's do this and see how it looks. I'm putting the camera from here to like here where I can see the aloe vera leaves because it looks like really amazing. And I'm gonna put this part of it here so it looks like I am close to nature.
So this is the snake plant
that I'm having right now, right here. So as you can see, this has made the whole framing a little more easy, a little more interesting and a little more eye-catching. So this is the whole framing thing we're going to do, and I'm going to shoot something. Now the another thing you can do is to play with the props. Now you can take anything as a prop. I took this plant as a prop and I did this, just this, and smile, and it was a great picture. Similarly, find the things you can work with. Make them as a prop. Make anything as a prop and just act with them. Pose with them. Your pictures will look really amazing. Now I also got this question that how to shoot when you're not looking good. So for that we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you how can I shoot that. So now I've come to the terrace and I'm gonna show you how can you click pictures when your face is not camera ready. So what you need to do is you just need to tap in the background. Basically I'm taking the clouds as clouds है नहीं, and you can just pose like that और उसको फिर आप edit कर सकते हो. So I'm gonna click some pictures and I'll let you know how this whole thing turns out. If you guys want to capture yourself with the clouds, I highly recommend you to guys just go after 6 p.m. or in the very morning because the clouds are really amazing after 6 in the very morning. All you need to take care of the garmi because otherwise just go upstairs and click some pictures. It looks really amazing. The pictures look really amazing. When you click with the clouds, it just looks so aesthetic as well. Another thing you can do when your face is not camera ready is to do some poses that just covers up your face. Like, I'll make sure that I give you some ideas here so that you can just go and just simply copy them because it's so easy to copy anybody. Just kidding. And now for this we'll be using a lot of props. Let me show you. There are quite a lot of props. Let's see हम कितनी चीज़ों से काम कर पाते हैं. We are gonna use this wall for the whole photo shoot thing and we're gonna make a spotlight from this. Let's see how it goes. So guys, our first setup is ready. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. I took this Amazon का डिब्बा, I cut it in half and I just took another phone and turn on the flash. And यहाँ पे projector types आ रहा है कुछ. Let me just turn off the lights now. And here you can see this is where we're gonna take the photo shoot thing. Now this is not enough. We're gonna add one more thing, and that are the lights. So this is after we add lights. This is the light. This I got from my home only. पता नहीं कहाँ पड़ी हुई थी, मुझे use में आ रही है. It also, you know, switches to so many like colors. Let me show you some. So here is the sensor of the color. This is the remote. So I'm pressing the purple color. So here you have the purple color. It doesn't appear to be purple here. I mean, yeah, it does here a little, but it looks more like blue. And we have so many other colors as well. You know, we have green here. So the projector thing looks like green. So this is how we're gonna work. So let's get on. So I want to work with red. So सबसे पहले I picked the red color. Now this side you can see it's whole red and this side is pink. That is my wall. The flash is coming from here. So मैंने उस flash को बीच में रख दिया है. So मैं दोनों साइड कवर कर सकूँ, एक पिंक भी और रेड भी. सो वी गोना टेक सम फोटोज लाइक दैट जिसमें दोनों ऐसे शेड्स आए. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Now we're gonna change the light and I'll take some props and let's see how it goes. मैं वैसे ये अपने कैमरा से करने वाली थी बट पता नहीं क्यों वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था फ़ोन से. मेरे कैमरा में फ्लिप ओवर नहीं है, सो आई वॉज फाइंडिंग अ लिटिल डिफिकल्टी, बट नेवर माइंड, फ़ोन पे ही कर लेते हैं. नाउ टू ऐड दिस सेटअप आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड दिस इज़ एक्चुअली एन हैंगर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड इट हियर and as it will just reflect it, it will look good. So we're gonna do something like that. Now as you can see how it's coming on my face and on the wall. So now it's the time for the color change. Oh, that is the disco. Now I'm planning to go with this. Oh god, the color changed. It was purple before, now it's purple. When I turn around, it's green. Oh my god, what's happening here? I'm gonna go with this color. I know why it's green. I wanna work with purple. Let's see when it comes up. So we're gonna do it like that. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, let me show you the magic. मैं mirror को ऐसे rotate कर रही हूँ तो the color is changing. Something. Look, now it's purple. See the red, and now it's all pink, and then it's a little back to the color where it was. Hey, and see, isn't it cool? So I quickly actually changed my clothes. I am wearing a shirt. Plain shirt. It's in lavender color. You might not see it, but yeah. And now we're gonna take, what should we take? Now I'm planning to replace this with this. So this is जो पंखे के ऊपर लगता है वो है ये. So इससे अब हम लाइट पास करेंगे तो वो सर्कल आएगी. Now circle आ तो रहा है, it's very accurate, but I wanted it to be a little up. So let's see when it's up, how does it look. So now we have our circle. Let me show you how we've made it. I had to attach my mug over this area and then it's reflecting. Oh my god, कितना अच्छा bokeh look आ रहा है ना इधर. So it's reflecting to my front. Okay, so ये इस type से आ रहा है, which looks like Bhagwan ji, you know, thoda I need to adjust. Now I'm using candles as a prop. I made these candles and I also put the shells in it. So we're gonna light them up. Let's see how that turns out. I hope it turns out well. In ages since I've like phoned up. Okay. So we have our candles ready. There's a big flame here, like a big flame, and I think okay, I can't handle two them because I need to make it focus also. see how it turns out.